Hey guys, what's going on? It's Ron, and we're going to be showing you quickly just how to manage this blog. That way, it's easier for you or an assistant or anyone who's managing the blog to help put more content and get things together. Okay, now, first of all, just to remind you guys to log in, you simply need to go to this URL. I'm going to go incognito just to show you guys. Just give it a second. You navigate to this URL, put in your information, and you should be good to go, and you'll see the back end. So that's just a reminder to show you guys that that is the way you log in here. Okay, and once you're in here, you're going to see that there's a whole bunch of stuff. There's pages, there's theme options, there's settings, reading. Here you can see kind of more information about how to configure the website. You can see here that there's a blog page, right? In that blog page is how we're going to be managing everything from the blog. That way you can update info. Okay, so I'm going to navigate to that page right now. Pages, all pages. Right, you're going to look for blog, which is right here. You can see there's post page next to it. And you can either click view or edit. I'm going to click edit. Over here, you're going to see I already have it pulled up. Learn how to maximize your potential, okay? So this is the blog page, and you can see here that in this plugin, this is a special plugin we use to put content on pages. We have recent post here. So I'm going to click this little pen, which means edit, right? And here you can see that, there's 3 columns, so that means that it's going to be almost a 3x9 grid when we populate blog posts, right? There's a number of posts. We have 9 posts, so we're going to show only 9, and if they want to see more, they'd have to click a view more button. And that's pretty much it. It's going to be grouped by date and all that. So, right here, there's nothing because we have no published blog posts yet. But once we publish posts, we'll be able to see a 3x9 grid of just our newest post, okay? On this page, which is blog, right? So when you want to post a new blog post, it is not on this page that you go to. This page is just a configuration of what the blog page would look like. But as far as a post, if you're making a new blog post, every single new blog post would have its own individual post in the post section. So over here, you'll see pages, and up here, if you navigate, you'll see post. So I'm going to click all posts. In long term, you can navigate and you can organize everything based off category and tags and such. I'm going to make a category right now, just to give an example. Right, I'm going to do one called company news. I'm going to add that. You can see it's here. I'm going to do a new one called training. Let's say culture training, or just culture. Any post made on culture will go here, okay? Click add new, and you'll see we have these categories. In long term, you'll be able to see here how many posts you have for each category on your blog, okay? So I'm going to click add new. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to make 3 or 4 almost mock, make sure this is going, okay, 3 minutes. I'm going to make 3 or 4 almost mock posts just to give an example, right? How culture affects revenue, right? That's the title of the post. Standard post. When I'm done, I click publish, this blue button here. Let's just say I make a post here. When it comes to culture, you must be able to understand who your leaders are, right? I add an image inside the post, right? Add media. A bunch of images will pull up. I'll just put in a random image just for examples, right? Put an image. Just wait for it to populate, right? While that's loading, I'll also add a category, which is culture, right? You can even have it wrap around text, which is what it's doing now. So if I had more text, like let's say I had a paragraph explaining stuff, this would be able to wrap around it. You can make it in the middle, whatever. It's easy to play around with. You can make it larger, But pretty much this would be a post, okay? We have it in culture. Now, let's say I publish this post, right? Boom. Will this automatically show up on the blog? Yes or no? Yes, it will automatically show up on the blog, okay? So I'm going to show you right now. Publishing this, going here. Let's refresh this and see if it comes up as that grid that we mentioned. Boom. You'll see that right here, how culture affects revenue. The author's name is right there because I'm logged in. And there you go. But why is it in a black square? Why does it look this way? The reason it looks this way is because we didn't set a cover image. Now, to set a cover image, what you need to do is navigate down here, featured image. You see that? When you click set featured image, what it's going to do is going to show you the images, and you can pick what image do I want to showcase for the blog title, right? So I'm going to pick this one. Or this one's a bit smaller. Well, actually, I can hide this. Sorry about that. Set featured image. Just give it a second to populate. And then what I need to do is update it. Boom. Once that's updated, what I'm going to do is I'm going to refresh that blog page and let's see if it makes a complete difference. Let's wait till it's completely done loading. Let's load this up again and see what happens. There you go. So, as a user, you click in. How culture affects revenue. And here's the post. And that's the basics of how to manage the blog. What I'm going to do is I'm going to make a couple more just to show over and over again that this is how you do it. I'll make another one. I'll do leaders create leaders a lesson in responsibility, right? I just make up something. Example post. This is company news. Wait for that to populate. Okay, I'm going to set a featured image as this or this. Right? And this is for SEO related purposes. If you want to, edit your SEO metadata, you can do so right here. This shows you a snippet in Google and what it looks like. So if you want to copy a summary of here and just throw it in this, right here, SEO title. Right now it's just pulling up the title of the blog post. You can put in your information here, or it'll just auto-populate the first couple sentences that's here, which is what it kind of did. And that's it, all right? So what I'm going to do is click update or publish. Just give it a little bit. All right, great. I want to navigate to that blog post page. So blog. Two posts. Okay, cool. So you'll be able to see that the more we do this, we're going to have more blog posts, right? And that's typically how to manage the blog. It's very simple. It's, straight to the point. Just make sure you set a featured image. You navigate here. If you want to delete any blog posts, it's the same thing. Go to all posts. Right? And you can even, let's say you wanted to change the category, quick edit. You could change categories here, right? You can take off comments, whatever it is, you can do that. You can change authors, right? Change the dates of it being posted. Cancel, you can delete, trash, and that's pretty much it. That's how you manage the blog. If you have any more questions, be sure to reach out. Other than that, thanks for watching.